Limited edition designer handbags epitomize exclusivity, craftsmanship, and the intersection of fashion and art. These coveted accessories, crafted by renowned designers and luxury brands, transcend mere functionality, becoming tangible symbols of status and style. Limited in production and often featuring unique designs, materials, or intricate embellishments, these handbags represent a rarefied realm within the fashion industry. The allure of limited edition designer handbags lies not only in their scarcity but also in the meticulous attention to detail and the creative expression they embody. Craftsmanship is a hallmark of limited edition designer handbags, with skilled artisans dedicating hours to meticulously create each piece. From the selection of the finest materials to the precision of stitching and the placement of embellishments, every aspect of production is a testament to the commitment to quality. The result is not just a handbag but a wearable work of art that showcases the designer's vision and the artisan's skill. Limited production ensures that each handbag maintains a level of exclusivity, appealing to individuals who seek more than a mass-produced accessory. The unique designs of limited edition handbags often draw inspiration from various sources, ranging from cultural influences to avant-garde artistic movements. Designers use these exclusive releases as a canvas for experimentation, allowing them to push the boundaries of traditional aesthetics. Whether it's an unconventional shape, a distinctive color palette, or innovative use of materials, these handbags become statements of individuality and creativity. Collectors and fashion enthusiasts are drawn to the allure of owning a piece that stands apart from mainstream offerings. Scarcity is a key factor in the desirability of limited edition designer handbags. The exclusivity created by a limited production run contributes to a sense of rarity and uniqueness. This scarcity not only enhances the perceived value of the handbag but also fuels a sense of urgency among fashion connoisseurs who seek to secure a piece before it becomes unavailable. Limited edition releases often result in waiting lists and fervent anticipation, creating a sense of excitement and competition among those vying for a coveted spot as an owner of one of these exclusive creations. The marketing strategy surrounding limited edition designer handbags is a carefully orchestrated dance of anticipation and allure. Brands strategically unveil teasers, previews, and collaborations to build anticipation among their target audience. Social media platforms become virtual runways for showcasing these handbags, creating a buzz that extends far beyond traditional fashion circles. The exclusivity of these releases transforms them into sought-after collector's items, with the secondary market often witnessing a surge in demand and resale values. Despite their undeniable allure, limited edition designer handbags also raise questions about accessibility and sustainability within the fashion industry. The high price points and limited availability inherently limit access to these coveted accessories, contributing to a sense of exclusivity that can be perceived as elitist. Moreover, the environmental impact of producing limited edition items, particularly if they involve rare materials or extensive craftsmanship, raises concerns about the sustainability of such practices. In conclusion, limited edition designer handbags represent a fusion of art, fashion, and exclusivity. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail and showcasing unique designs, these accessories transcend their utilitarian purpose, becoming coveted symbols of style and status. While the allure of limited edition handbags is undeniable, the fashion industry is grappling with questions of accessibility and sustainability, prompting a reflection on the future of exclusivity in the world of luxury fashion. Limited edition designer handbags epitomize exclusivity, craftsmanship, and the intersection of fashion and art. These coveted accessories, crafted by renowned designers and luxury brands, transcend mere functionality, becoming tangible symbols of status and style. Limited in production and often featuring unique designs, materials, or intricate embellishments, these handbags represent a rarefied realm within the fashion industry. The allure of limited edition designer handbags lies not only in their scarcity but also in the meticulous attention to detail and the creative expression they embody.